and see hundreds and hundreds of British garden bees. They might seem scary, but they are actually very gentle. Expect the rays in the park. Expect the rays in the park. Expect the rays in the park. Everyone listen up. Expect the rays. Expect the rays in the park.
Oh yeah, baby.
Hello, fellow astronaut. This is our alien world. I hope you like it. Ooh.